guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doss Handmade Creations. Today I've come to show you my Divinity Designs blessing box and get right into it. This is for April, so it comes with the sheet that shows what's inside. So I'll move this to the side so I can tell you and check off what we got here. All right, so let's open it up. These kits are $75 every quarter, and $75 every quarter, and of course with your shipping. So whatever your shipping is, I don't, different places, different shipping. So I think mine averages like $84. And this month the retail value is $107.75. So you're paying $75 and you get $107.75 worth of items. I'm going to tell you also what is the price by itself. Alright, so the first thing I see is this beautiful ornamental rectangle set. And it's a set of 3. I love that it is always in gold. Their trademark gold. Let's see. So it's 3 pieces in here. And this set is exclusive to the kit. So I don't know if they make it available because it says kit exclusive. But I think sometimes I've seen it on there after, a couple of months. I love that it has the 2 nesting rectangles. Oh, so to fit inside of here. So it gives you examples there. Whenever you see a dark and a light pink, it is embossed. I love how they do that feature. Look how beautiful this is. This would be a great card front. Alright, so this one is $29.95. Item number CBD792. So if it's not there now, it will probably be there because it says kit exclusive. So they may mean for a while you can't get it. Second thing, is these beautiful. Oh, now I like this paper pad. This paper pad is, I want to rip the paper. It's called Beautiful Bloom Set 4 and 5 Coordinating Paper Pad. So I guess it goes with this other things in here. So this paper pad is $7.95. Now I told you with Divinity Designs paper, it's like a slick, very slick paper. Let's see. Oh, that is so pretty. Absolutely love it. It's not double-sided. And you get 3, 4, 5 sheets of each. Look how pretty this green is. Look at that. With the little pink buds on it. Look at that. That reminds me of Maggie Home. Y'all know I love that paper. That is so pretty. Look at that one. Beautiful. I love that mint with the pink. So pretty. And I think this is the... No, it's not the last. But look how beautiful and bright that yellow rose is. So pretty. Then they got it with the pale yellow behind it. Is that it? And I got 2 blank sheets of paper. I don't know what that's about. Maybe just to keep it sturdy. This is a beautiful paper pad. Absolutely love flowers. When you're doing those 3D projects, like y'all saw my hot air balloon, you can use that to go on the tops. So that's beautiful. So again, that paper pad is $7.95. $7.95. Let me check off what I've told y'all already. So ornamental and that. Okay. Then the next thing is this beautiful stamp set. It's called Serenity Sentiments. There are 5 clear stamps on here. They're clear. PCS 110. And this stamp set is $19.95. Life is not measured by the breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. OMG. Absolutely love. That's deep right there. Start each day with a grateful heart. Amen. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. Isn't that like something that Catholics say? Catholics says that Catholics say that, but that is great. Everything is going to be all right. All right. All right. Okay, that look like a bee. Dog, come on now. All right. Everything is going to be all right. All right. Okay, that look like a bee for a minute. Oh, I like how they got that little, look like a fish there. Be someone's reason to smile. Amen. There's another little fish. I see a little fish on there. I see what y'all doing there. Amen. Love it. And that's what they are. They are clear. They're not the purple, which I love the clear. You know where you're stamping. So, again, this stamp set was $19.95. Beautiful. Then we got these beautiful Butterfly Blossoms Paper Duo set 4. Remember, I got the other set. I still haven't used that. Matter of fact, I might play with that today. I got a little time. I've been trying to clean my craft house up a little bit at a time. Oh my gosh. You know how you go through and you're doing the little things, like I'm getting all my little embellishments like I got from Happy Crafter. You know, so I'm trying to put all those in the little boxes and all of that. And I'm like, you're making progress, doll. It might not look like it, but you are. You are making progress. So I'm doing that. Anyway, I think I need to play with these. I'm going to pull the other one out as well. Absolutely love these. This one, again, is the set 4, $24.95. $24.95. Because it does come with a 6x9 die. I mean, not 6x9. A die set to cut out the 6x9 paper. So this is the die, and they have it on the back. And it cuts out each piece. So you have, all these are yellow. They're all the same. This is a lot. How many pieces do you get? 12. 12 sheets of 4. So it's not like you're just getting one, guys. This right here, let me take it off. Cuts out. Oh, that's super strong glue. That tape. You didn't want to let it go, did you, baby? All right, so let me put it back down. There we go. You just line this up. Look at there. So it looks like you might have a very small little white border around, which is fine. They still look cute like that. Look at that. Cut it out and you do it 4 times. And you got 12 sheets. So if you want to layer some to give it a 3D look, which I do, I like to do that, you put that on there. And you have those small little foam adhesive strips that you can put on here to make them pop. 3-dimensional. Oh my gosh. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Divinity, I love when y'all do stuff like this. I'm going to leave these out today. I need to find the other one. Cut a few out, make some flowers. Beautiful. And the last, but certainly not least, is the, that was number 4, Beautiful Blossoms Paper Duo Set 5. And again, it is $24.95, the same as the other one. And it's got beautiful pink flowers. Same again, 12 sheets. And 1 coordinating die set. There's the die. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. I love the pink. Yes, honey. And I'll line them up on top of each other. This is going to be nice. Yeah, I think I'm going to play with this today. And find the other ones as well. So this is the April. Wait a minute. This is the April Divinity Designs Blessing Box. Did y'all get this box? Have you played with this box? I absolutely love it. I love it when they get a die and stamps like this to line up. Beautiful sentiments, beautiful paper, and this die. This will make a great card. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.